Another tool from hair tool is add a guide. For example, we have a plane and add a hair. You can see we have a lots of hair here. If you want to create your own hair, my suggestion is that going to the guide, select all of the guides and delete them. And with add guides, you can add your own guides. First, radius. If you set a radius to 0, you can, with one click, create guides. If you want to change the, you can see the length is turned off. If you increase the number of the radius, you can see we have a radius here. In this radius, you can with click and drag create a lots of hair here. Steps. If the steps is a higher value, it means with click and drag, you can see with fewer steps, in higher steps, we are creating hair. You can see 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. You can see the space between them. But if you have right click to 0 if you want, or a lower number, you can see we have more dense hair. So lower number, we have more dense hair with 1 click and drag. Higher number, we have less hair when we click and drag. Count, it means, for example, a higher number. You can see in each count, it creates 10. In each drag and space, it creates 10. If you want to more lower number, you can create a whole bunch of hair in step. So count means the count of creating that. Okay. When you activate interpolated, you cannot set the length. So you can set the length. Lower number. Now you can see you can set your length and create hair. Nice. Minimum spacing, it's a minimum space between two guides. If you want to more dense guide, give the small number, so the minimum space between them are become smaller and we have more dense hair. This is an for pressure, more tablet, and interpolate is very interesting. If you go brush tool and delete them, I make a radius to 0 and add, oh sorry, it's a brush tool, don't forget add guide. I add one guide, 0, 1. Oh, the length is very, make it higher. One hair here and one hair here. We are going to brush, and in a tip I make some changes in this hair. And if you go to the add guide and activate interpolation, if you don't activate interpolation, if you create hair, you can see it's create just straight hair. But if you activate interpolation, it understand the hair, and you can see this is an interpolation. It understand interpolation between two modified hair, and it goes to this hair. This is interpolation. But don't forget, if you activate it, you cannot set length. The interpolation setting the length of your hair. Make sure you are turn it off. And if you activate interpolation, you can change the strength of interpolation. How much do you want to the last hair close into this hair shape? Nice. This is an add guide. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.